In this exercise, I will use ArrayList. We are going to save 5 objects according to hierarchy. Then we are going to use toString method to display. Let's declare ArrayList. ArrayList, you can store multiple objects with a fixed size, which is better than array. So here you have to make a decision what kind of elements. Normally we refer to super type. Okay, person is a superclass for all other classes. So we code it as a super type. I just import ArrayList as well. Okay, let me copy inputs. We have 5 objects. Process and then output. Okay, the process, I will use the same example. I basically manipulate some data sets in objects. Okay, output, we will use one of them as an example to print object name and then toString. Okay, now I will show you how to add objects to ArrayList. List, add, we use add method and then demo object. We do the same, list, add, student object. Let me copy. There are 3 more objects. Employee, faculty, and then staff. Here I'm going to use for loop. Start with I equal to 0. Here list the size, that's the size of a array list. One at a time. Okay, next one here we print, okay, person toString. So we should be able to locate the object. You can use the list and then get methods. For example, when I equal to 0, we can refer to person object. So we can say toString. So when I is equal to 0, we are saying person dot toString. I equal to 1, we can say student toString. So we use the list get I that refers to name of object, and then we can refer to toString methods for each of them. I think that's all. Let's try. Output should be same as previous one. Previous exercise 11.2. Okay, we have 85 assistant professor, 40,000 HR manager. So let's try one more method called remove. Remove object from the array list. I will say stop. So we add the 5 objects and then remove one. So output, there are 4 objects. Okay, last one is faculty, there are no staff. So let's try again. Remove faculty. Now there should be only 3 objects in array list. There are 3 objects. Okay. So this is how you use ArrayList. Okay. Most important thing is when you declare ArrayList, make sure your elements type you should report to support type. In our case, it's a person. Person is a superclass for all other objects. That's all. Thank you.